Hello and welcome to another episode of 3-minute videos with Nathaniel. Today we will be doing an MAT Oxford 2021 question which involves integration and exponentials. Now, for those of you who don't remember graphs, e to the power x starts at 1 when x is 0 and goes way up when x is positive and down to 0 when x is negative. The question asks for the area between e to the power x and 1 minus e to the power minus x, which is also bounded by the y-axis. Now, let me draw the graph. So this is the one point that starts e to the power of x. And also the asymptotes of 1 minus e to the power of x. Okay, so the question is basically asking for this area. Let me label the graphs here. Now, we need to find the intersection point. Now, we move like terms over to the other side. Next, we bring the 2 over. Then we take the logarithm. As you might know from your logarithm rules, this is minus ln2. So this is our intersection point. Let's mark that here. Now, this problem can be solved using a little bit of integration. So what they're asking for is the integral from minus ln2 to 0 . Now, for those of you who don't remember integration, we can also simplify this expression to so e to the power of x stays the same. The 2 also stays the same because no matter what number you're adding, whether it's 2 times e to the power of x, or 1.5 or 456, you can always make it remain there. Now, the minus 1 changes to minus x. That's a rule in integration. Constant terms always change into linear terms. Then we substitute it using the following method. 2 e to the power 0 minus 0 minus the values of the other. A little bit of algebraic twiddling, which I show you here, can also be applied here, making it true in fact that e to the power of 0 is 1 and e to the power of negative ln 2 is half. So, with a little bit of algebraic twiddling, this becomes this is the answer to the question, which is option B. So there you have it. Question 1C of the Oxford MAT Admissions Test 2021. Thank you. Bye.